I'm Zaid Bin Shakir.
And I am Shakir. Welcome to our channel
Angels Click.
Friends, today Zaid will educate you on planets of solar system. Before we proceed on, you are requested to please subscribe to Angels Click and smash the bell icon for more such videos. Let's get started.
At the outset, let's discuss what exactly is the solar system. The solar system consists of the sun, the stars and everything bound to it by gravity. It includes planets, dozens of moons and millions of asteroids, meteoroids and comets. The planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and dwarf planets like Pluto. Let's learn something more about the solar system. Sun is an enormous boiling gaseous star, much closer to us than other stars, but still the Sun is 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. Sun produces light and heat, which are two of the most important conditions for living things to survive. Had the Sun not been there, the planets and the solar system would have been frozen and there would have been darkness everywhere. Similarly, plants need light to make food. We need light to see, etc. Sun also produces a lot of gases, mainly hydrogen and helium. Thus, the Sun is the most vital part of the solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and is the closest to the Sun. It has a rocky surface with craters on it, similar to that of our moons. Mercury has the shortest orbit in the solar system. It only takes 88 days to complete one orbit. It doesn't have a moon, so no life exists on Mercury. Venus is the second planet of the solar system and is the hottest in the entire solar system because of its clouds of sulfuric acid and thick layer of carbon dioxide which traps heat and keeps it hot. Therefore, life is also not possible on Venus. Well, you all know much about Earth. Earth is the only planet where we can live because of its suitable atmosphere, landforms, climate and other conditions which make it possible for living things to live here. Mars is the fourth planet of the solar system. It is also called a red planet because of its reddish color caused by iron oxide in its soil. It is a cold and rocky planet with a thin layer of oxygen and carbon dioxide. It also has water and ice on it. That's why scientists are interested in Mars. They think that life is possible on Mars with the help of some special equipments. Mars has two irregular and small asteroid-like moons which orbit around it. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and is the largest in the solar system. It is a gas giant with a surface just made of gases. There are many powerful storms and tornadoes in Jupiter. One storm is called the Red Spot, which has been spinning for 200 years. People cannot land on Jupiter because it has no ground to land on, as it is made of gases and full of terrible storms. Jupiter has at least 67 moons that circle it, but 55 of them are very small and some are as large as planet Mercury. Therefore, people cannot live on Jupiter. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is a beautiful ring made up of ice particles, dust and rocks. Saturn also has more than 60 moons, some of which are as big as Mercury. However, life is not possible on Saturn too because it is a gas giant like Jupiter. Uranus is the seventh planet in the solar system and is another gas giant like Jupiter and Saturn. It has 27 known moons and a small ring around it. Uranus is covered in methane clouds which give it a beautiful blue color. Neptune is very similar to Uranus and is another gas giant. It is the farthest planet from the Sun. It is also covered in blue clouds made of methane and it has 14 known moons. Neptune has the longest orbit in the solar system. It takes 165 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. But life is not possible on Neptune. Friends, that's all for today.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it interesting and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on social media platforms. To watch our video on human teeth, please click here, and for our video on human eye, please click here. See you very soon in another interesting episode of Science Corner. Thanks for watching.